Is JumpTask staking really an easy way to earn passive income every single minute, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael, and recently I recorded a full review of JumpTask, and since then they have introduced a new earning method called JMPT staking, and many viewers have asked me about this because it can be a way to earn passively. Let me just reveal that right away, but you do need to understand how it works to find out if it's the right option for you or not. So let me show that in this tutorial. So before I log in, let me just make it clear right away that this is not a full JumpTask tutorial. I have that somewhere else. I'll leave a link to that in the top corner of this video so you can see all about what it offers. But this is specifically about the JMPT staking that they have recently introduced because so many people have asked me about that. And let me now then log in so I can show you exactly how that works. So I am now logged into JumpTask, and so far some of the main methods to earn has been like Honeygain, connecting it to Honeygain. That is how I personally have earned the most. I have some full videos about Honeygain. I will leave a link in the top corner also so you can learn more about that, because there you can earn passively just by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. And then they also had some paid offers, not a lot, but they have had some. And then now they have introduced the staking, which is what I'll be talking about in this video. So the staking works in the way that either you need to invest in this JMPT crypto and have it in your metamask wallet if you have that connected. I have that connected. I've shown that in another video also that I already talked about, that I have a link to in the top corner, where I also show how you cash out. Or you can use some of the earning methods, for example, earn with the paid offers or connecting to Honeygain, and then you will earn, and then you can transfer this to your metamask wallet, and then you can stake it from there. So when you have it here, you cannot use it for staking. You first need to transfer it to your wallet. I do show how to do that in the other videos. You can check that out, but basically you just need to connect to, for example, metamask to log in to this platform. Once you're connected, you just click to transfer, and within a few seconds, usually it will be in your metamask wallet. I have some JMPT there already. So let's now go to this staking section so I can show you more about how you then can earn and how much you can earn. So I'm now in the staking section, and you can see the different options. One option is to buy tokens. That means if you do not have JMPT, if you have not earn them, then you can buy them if you want to speed up the process and you not want to spend time actually earning or anything like that. But you can see I have 32.5 JMPT in my metamask wallet, and you can see in the top corner it says metamask, so that's because I am connected to my metamask wallet. And then you can see the earnings all time. I just started doing this a few days ago to test how it actually works and if it will be worth it. So that's the options. Either you need to buy them, or you earn them, and then you have some in your wallet that is connected. Then you see over on the right side you have different options. There's a total pool, and this is how many staked JMPTs there are overall, and then there's an interest rate, because staking means that you will kind of put them there and not take them out, and you will earn an interest for doing that. And currently it is 20% yearly. This is yearly, it's not daily, it's not monthly. It's very important to understand, and this rate can go up and down. You see they explain that very clearly at the bottom, that it is flexible and it changes based on the total number of JMPT staked in the pool. However, they do calculate this and add it to your balance every 10 minutes. So you will basically